Hey there, everybody. Thanks for coming to Weather Edge. That's WXEdge.com. I am Storm Command Meteorologist Sam Cantor with an update on not only what the weather's going to be like, but why that's going to be happening. So if you're curious about the time frame for the next 3 potential storms, 1 Monday, 2 Wednesday, 3 the end of next weekend, I'll have all the details for you coming up right now. So what's going on for us? Well, we could sort of have a very weak high pressure, and it's going to continue to retreat up to the north and east, which is why up in Maine right now there's sunshine over there. For us, we're just dealing with more clouds than sun, and that's what we'll end up seeing today before a cold front crosses by the area, or it approaches, I should say, from the northwest, tonight. And with that, there could be a flurry or a light sprinkle possible, mostly inland. Nothing major, no big deal there. Same thing for the day tomorrow, too, as this front passes by. That's sort of why we're going to be dealing with a bunch of cloud cover. And then trailing on the edge of that front is a low pressure center. It's way off to the west of us right now. And this low sort of tracks to the south. Now, the models have been in pretty good agreement with this being just to the south. And when I say just, we're talking like mix possible on Long Island, but not in the Connecticut shoreline. That small of a difference, 10 miles or so. So most of the models are in agreement with the exception of one. That one is the Euro that's showing it now just a little bit further north, which would mean for us potentially accumulating snow for the shoreline on Monday. Got to watch it closely. Right now, it looks like if high pressure is strong enough to the north of us, that will end up keeping that down south. But we're probably going to end up seeing completely cloudy skies for Monday, at least along the shoreline, a touch less in the way of cloud cover for the day on Monday. Now, the next storm that we watch is the one that you might have heard something about for late Tuesday into Wednesday. Models having difficulty agreeing on what the precipitation type is going to be. GFS showing that one being a little bit more of an inside runner, which would mean that we're having warm air moving in, warm air advection for us. That would mean we'd end up seeing a little mix, changing over to completely rain. The Euro shows the thermal profile being a little bit cold and the storm tracking a little bit closer to us. So what it means for us in that case would be some snow that could change over to some rain along the shoreline. Inland might be snow to a good amount of ice, and that's what the indications are for GFS at least. So that's one thing we got to really watch closely as we move into the upcoming days. And Justin will be in tonight, I'll be in tomorrow morning, and then he'll be in again. The good news for us is that both Justin, Erica, and I will most definitely be here on Wednesday to cover this if anything is going on. And of course, Gil will be in for the morning on Wednesday as well. So we'll be here. Don't worry about that. Right now, the thing is less cold temperatures for today and tomorrow. And then after that, you might have heard some details about the chance for a storm next Sunday. Well, hey, I'm a meteorologist, okay? I'm a realist. We're talking about 8 or 9 days away from now and talking about a storm. I wouldn't be concerned about this. Latest model trends for the Euro showed nothing at all. So don't hang on the hype when you hear about big storms coming very, very far in the distance. Right now, not worth being concerned about at all. Watching the Monday thing closely, though, and same thing for the day on Wednesday as well. We'll know more details as we, of course, head closer to these events happening. But for now, today and tomorrow, mild temps 40s, and tomorrow near 50 degrees. All right, have a great day today. Enjoy the big game tomorrow, and I'll see you back here for the full forecast for the big game come tomorrow morning. See you.